Welcome. If you want to show your year of birth to your followers on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the latest update, so your followers can see your birth year right on your profile. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to X. Log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left side menu and click on your profile icon or your name. This will take you straight to your profile page where all your personal details are displayed. At the top right of your profile, you'll see the Edit Profile button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the editing options for your profile. Now, scroll down until you find the birth date section. Click on it, and a pop-up will appear. In this pop-up, you'll need to click Edit again to access the settings for your birth date. Here's where you can customize who sees your birth information. Find the section labeled Year. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select your followers. This means only people who follow you will be able to see your year of birth on your profile. After you've made your selection, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the bottom of the pop-up, and click it. That's it. Your year of birth is now visible to your followers on X. This is a great way to share a bit more about yourself while keeping control over your privacy. If you ever want to change who can see your birth year, just repeat these steps and choose a different audience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy connecting with your followers in new ways.